Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Scorpio Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Aquarius. 10th house will be your work environment is seen from 10th house, your superior, your bosses, how much authority you will have in your life is seen from 10th house, your fame along with 7th house and first house is also seen from 10th house. All the matters related to your work is seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house Lord is moving in your 4th house and Sun will stay in your 4th house till 14th of March. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your 4th house to 5th house in the sign of Pisces. So right now, till 14th March, Sun is moving in your 4th house. We can expect great result regarding the work-related matter, regarding the profession, occupation, and business-related matter because your 10th house Lord is sitting in your 4th house, and from 4th house, Sun is also expecting its own house. Means your 10th house is right now in a strong position. Till 14th March, Sun is also moving in your 4th house. 4th house deals with your properties, your vehicles, your relationship with your mothers, your comfort, your conveniences related matter is also seen from 4th house. Your emotions is also seen from 4th house, and your homeland is also seen from 4th house. So we can expect great result regarding all of these matters till 14th of March because your 4th house Lord Saturn is already moving in your 4th house. And till 14th of March, Sun is also moving in your 4th house. So we can expect you will definitely get some good news, some good result regarding your work related matter and your property, vehicles, comfort related matter. After 14th of March, when your 4th house Lord will be moving in your 5th house. Also, we can expect if you are looking to buy some property in the month of March or some vehicles or some convenience related matter, then we can expect you will definitely purchase it and you will get it in the month of March because Sun is also moving in your 4th house and Sun will illuminate the significance of your 4th house. And 4th house Lord is also present in your 4th house. After 14th of March, when Sun will move from your 4th house to 5th house, and Rahu is already moving in your 5th house in the sign of Pisces. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from 4th house, your love relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance is also seen from 5th house, your fun activities also seen from 5th house, and throne and higher post in life is also seen from 5th house. So after 14th of March, when your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 5th house, then we can expect you may get some type of difficult result regarding your love relationship and your education related matter because of Rahu is moving in your 5th house. You will taking more interest in your fun activities because of presence of Rahu in your 5th house. But after 14th of March, when your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 5th house, then you may face some type of responsibilities in your life and you may get too serious in your life regarding your education, love relationship, and your mental abilities related matter. Also, if you are in education life, then we can expect you will perform very well in your education related matter because you will feel responsibilities after 14th of March because 10th house also deal with your responsibility, your work, your duties seen from 10th house. So when 10th house Lord will be moving in your 5th house, then we can expect you will get some type of responsibility and you will be get serious in your life after 14th of March, especially till Sun is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Pisces. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mercury controls your 8th house and your 11th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Aquarius. 8th house will be to sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your sudden positive, sudden negative event also seen from 8th house. Your research activities, your secret activities, sexual relationships, sexual organs also represented by 8th house. So 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional network circle, your gains in life is seen from 11th house. Gains in bulk, gain of respect, gain of money, gain of achievements also seen from 11th house, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your elder brothers and sisters also seen from 11th house, and your sources are also seen from 11th house. So your 11th house and 8th house Lord is moving in your 4th house, and Mercury will stay in your 4th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 4th house to 5th house in the sign of Pisces. So till your 8th house and 11th house Lord is moving in your 4th house, we can expect great result regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort, related matter, as we discussed previously in sun section. Because house of unexpected events lord, house of sudden events lord is also moving in your fourth house. So suddenly you will get some type of good news regarding your properties, vehicles, and you will also get some type of good news regarding your mother's relationship of your mother, because your eighth house or sudden event slot is also moving in your fourth house. Also, we can expect you will arrange some type of get together at your home before 8 March. Also, your 11th house lord, house of gains lord, is moving in the house of property, in the house of vehicle, in the house of convenience. So you will definitely purchase some type of convenience, some type of property, vehicle, if you are dealing in some type of these matters in your life, because your 11th house of gains lord is moving in your house of properties, house of vehicle, house of conveniences. Ketu is also moving in your 11th house. So after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But in the month of March, till 8 March, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your fourth house. So you may feel some type of isolation from your friend circle, your professional circle, till Ketu is moving in your 11th house. But in the month of March, till your 11th house Lord is moving in your fourth house, we can expect some great result regarding your get together related matter, because your fourth house is right now in a strong position. Also, your eighth house Lord is also moving in your fourth house. So we can expect you will face some type of get together. You will arrange some type of event at your home with your friend circle and professional network circle, and you will be also come out of isolation after 8 March. After 8 March, when Mercury will move from your fourth house to fifth house, then we can expect great result regarding your gains, regarding your professional network circle, friend circle, regarding your sources and gains related matter. Because from fifth house, Mercury will also expecting your 11th house after 8 March. So Mercury will strengthen your 11th house after 8 March. Also, your 8th house Lord will be moving in your fifth house, so you will indulge a lot. Need to be careful regarding your fun activities. You may indulge a lot in your fun activities, because house of unexpected events Lord will be moving in the house of fun activities. Or Rahu is already moving in your fifth house. Rahu may disturb your education and give you some type of difficulties regarding your relationships related matter. But Sun will join your fifth house after 14th of March, as we discussed previously in Sun section. So after 14th of March, you will face some March, you will get serious regarding your children, regarding your education and love relationship in the month of March, when your Mercury, because Mercury will also be moving in your fifth house after 8 March. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now, Venus is moving in your third house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars is already present in its exalted position in your third house. 12th house will be your expenses, your losses, your isolation seen from 12th house, your foreign settlement is seen from 12th house, your long duration investment is seen from 12th house, your isolations, your spirituality related matter is seen from 12th house, space, dream, imagination is also seen from 12th house. 7th house will be your marriage partner is seen from 7th house, your spouse is seen from 7th house, your business partnership is seen from 7th house, your commitments, legal bindings, agreemented things is also seen from 7th house, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others seen from 7th house, and your fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house. So right now in the month of March, your 7th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your third house, and Venus will stay in your third house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. So your 7th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your third house. Third house will be your communication abilities, your hardworking ability seen from third house, your hand skills is seen from third house, your younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends is also seen from third house, but mainly your communication ability and ability to do efforts is seen from third house, and ability to do hard work is also seen from third house. So your 12th house and 7th house Lord is moving in your third house, and Mars is already moving in its exalted position in your third house. So we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your relationships in general, because relationships also seen from 7th house. And right now, your spouse Lord is moving in your third house, and Mars is also supporting your 7th house Lord in your third house. Also, if you want to do some short distance travel in the month of March before 8th of March, then we can say you will definitely do some type of short distance travel within a country in the month of March, because 12th house Lord is also moving in your third house, and 7th house Lord is moving in your third house, and from third house Venus is also expecting your ninth house, and third house deal with short distance travel and ninth house deal with long distance travel. So in the month of March, we can expect great result regarding your younger brothers and sisters related matter, regarding your communication related matter, and your efforts related matter at your work. Also, if you want to move from your birthplace to some different country, then your 12th house lord is moving in your third house, and after 8 March, Venus will move from your third house to fourth house. So after 8 months, we can expect great result regarding a foreign settlement related matter. If you want to travel from your birthplace to some different country and want to settle there, then we can expect great result. Also, if you have applied to immigration PR, then we can expect in the month of March, especially after 8 March, when your 12th house lord will be moving in your fourth house, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, and your process will be enhanced in the month of March, especially after 8 March. Seventh house lord will be moving in your fourth house after 8 March. So after 8 March, the fourth house is right now also in a strong position, as we discussed previously in Mercury and Sun section, because Saturn is already moving in its own sign in your fourth house. So after 8 March, when your seventh house lord will be moving in your fourth house, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, you will arrange some type of get together at your home, and you will arrange some type of get together with your cousins and friends, etc., etc. Because your fourth house is right now in a strong position. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Scorpios and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Scorpios and people, Moon controls your ninth house, and right now Moon is moving in your second house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March, we are predicting for whole month because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near any of these naturally malefic planets. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mars controls your first house. Means Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars is very important planet for you people, and also controls your sixth house. And right now, sixth house and first house, your ascendant lord is moving in your third house in exalted position. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your fundamental nature, your physique, your general health is also seen from first house. Sixth house will be your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your hidden enemies also seen from sixth house. Your debt, your loans, your daily routine in context of your work is also seen from sixth house. So your sixth house and your first house lord is moving in your third house, and as we discussed previously in Venus section, third house will be your communication, your younger brothers and sisters, your ability to do hard work is also seen from third house. Your hands and skills is also seen from third house. So in the month of March, till Mars is moving in your third house, and Mars will be stay in your third house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Aquarius, where fourth house Lord Saturn is already moving. So we can expect great result regarding your general health, regarding your personality, regarding your overall aspects of life in the month of March due to presence of Mars in its exalted position in your third house. You will perform you will do very hard work in the month of March regarding your work related matter. If you are a working person, also we can expect you will get great result regarding your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend, and your get together related matter, because 11th house lord will also be moving in your fifth house, and Mars, which controls your ascendant, will be moving in your fourth house after 16th of March. Sixth house lord is also moving in your third house, and Jupiter is also present in your sixth house. So Mars is taking Jupiter's energy in your third house. Sixth house, as we discussed previously, you will get great result regarding your court case, litigation, argument, fights, and competition related matter if you are dealing with such matter in your life due to presence of Jupiter in your sixth house. Also, If you want to take loans from anyone or government or etc etc, then you will easily get the loan in the due to presence of Jupiter in your sixth house. But in the month of March, especially 16th of March, your sixth house lord is moving in your third house, so you will definitely put a lot of effort, a lot of hard working regarding your competition, court case, litigation related matter if you're dealing with such thing in your life. And we can also expect great result and great gains regarding all of these matter in the month of March, especially till 16th of March. After 16th of March, when your ascendant lord will be moving in your fourth house and sixth house lord will be also moving in your fourth house, then as we discussed previously in Sun, Venus, and Mercury section, you will get great result regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort related matter. Also, you may get unexpected gains regarding your properties, your fourth house related matter. Maybe you will get some type of good news regarding your properties, vehicles, and conveniences related matter if you are looking for these things in your life. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the month of March for all the Scorpio ascendant people. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your fourth house, and Sun will stay in your fourth house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your fourth house to fifth house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your fourth house, and Mercury will stay in your fourth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your fourth house to fifth house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your third house, and Mars will stay in your third house to 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your third house to fourth house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your third house, and Venus will stay in your third house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Scorpio ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.